How about we turn any image into a 3D model? To get some images, you can go to Pinterest, search for anything interesting to you, make the search on front face, then save the ones you like. Now, we need to take this image we saved and drop it on this site, which is fully free. We do this to generate a depth map, a kind of map to determine the distance of the surfaces from the viewer. White is close surface while black is far. So open the image here. Wait for it a few seconds and you will get this heat map. So switch to the second option for the depth map. We can also increase ensemble size to max for better quality. Hit apply and save the depth map with right-click and save image. Next, in Blender, let's clear the scene. Then, from the Add menu, go to Image Mesh Plane, or what used to be known as Images Plane. Pick it and choose the image from Pinterest to import it to the scene. Go to Edit Mode. We need some subs on this plane, so right-click in Edit Mode and subdivide. Might go up to 40 or 50. Once you're done, go to the modifiers and look for the Displace one. Add it on the plane, then hit New and click on this Show Texture icon. Here we can open the depth map. Switch the color space to non-color. Then back to the Display Place modifier, 133. Put the coordinates on UV and adjust the strength to fit. A subdivision surface modifier is needed here to smooth the shape, and you can adjust the level based on the details. A subdivision surface modifier is needed here to smooth the shape, and you can adjust the level based on the details. And that's it. Hope you have fun with it. Like and sub for more dope, and drop any question in the comments. Stay sharp. Goodbye.